Okay, I'm going to run you guys through the differences between our blacks and their best use cases. So the OG black, BLK, tried and true, everybody knows this one. This one is complete usability. I mean, as versatile as it gets. You can use it for lining, shading, color packing, making gray wash out of. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this, and you can use it for anything. Next is our triple black. Same base as the original BLK, slightly higher pigment load. So BLK is probably better for lining, this not so much. A lot of people do use it for lining, but if you have a heavy hand, you could blowouts with this more than you could with that. So the triple black is good for shading, color packing, making gray washes, pretty much anything else you could possibly need. Just as good as the original black. Union black. Union black is a completely different base, still carbon black, but a different base than our triple black and our black. A little cooler of a tone, made specifically for the REACH regulations in Europe, passes all those, and does not contain isopropyl alcohol. This one is pretty smooth, a lot cooler and smoother than the original two. But just as good and easy to work with. All three have the same thin consistency. Ganga Black, specifically formulated for Ganga. He is a hyper-realistic artist, does a lot of portraits, and does a lot of really smooth shading. Same base as the Union Black. We sat with Ganga and formulated this one a little bit higher pigment load than the Union Black, but still passes all REACH compliance. Does not contain isopropyl alcohol, and specifically tailored for portraits that want a smooth finish, smooth shading, almost an opaque feel to the grays rather than a gray wash. If you have any other questions regarding any of our products, feel free to comment below. Thanks.